Hello, welcome to TI Pro Audio, and today we are launching for our new products LA25 and the LA112, the active line array setting. And this LA25 is with double 5-inch low frequency and one of the 1.75-inch high frequency. And this double 5-inch line array, we realize the very small size, and also we can taste the sound with a very powerful sounds and easy to operate. Let me show you the backside design of our LA series LA25. As you can see, the backside design of LA25 is matched with the series of TI Pro Audio LA series line array system, and also this backside is matched with active bolt, which one active bolt can push for the 4 pieces of the line array top and with one of the subwoofer together. And this is we installed for the church and in the hotel and for the wedding show. And we realized the small line array and the clear and powerful sounds. As today you can see our LA112 and the single 18-inch active bass and with the LA25 line array. All the system in TI Pro Audio, we will test the system before shipping to our customer. And this is with the single 10-inch top and the single 18-inch bass. And the backside, and it's with all the system is matched with the wheels, and we can easily to move, and also all the painting and the artwork in TI Pro Audio, our engineer team will operate all the system to make the system as an art way to do it. So we choose TI Pro Audio every week, do a high reputation brand. Have a nice day.